can see.
I said no, so man, afterward ask the doubt.
Okay, ma'am.
Now ask the doubts afterward. Let you just revise this. That 1 minute equals to how many seconds, then 1 hour equals to how many minutes. This is basic only, means that 1 minute equals to how many seconds that. But then also revise. I'm keeping for 30 seconds because you have
Zainab,
to use
can
this.
I
Who?
Ma'am Aisha, because my brother's class is going on.
Write the that reason in the chat box.
Zainab, ma'am,
Yes.
had revised.
Okay. So all these things you just have to revise that 1 hour equals to how many minutes, 1 minute equals to how many seconds, and then using that you just have to convert by multiplying.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to write
Ma'am, I
practice problem sum also in rough book.
First you have to try in the rough book and then in the fair book. Means if you want to try. If you directly want to copy paste, then you can do directly in the fair book.
No, ma'am, I want to try it. That's why I'm asking on.
If you want to try, you can do in the rough book first, then you can correct yourself, then you can do in the fair book.
Ma'am, but I don't understand also problem.
Ask the doubts.
So,
But let me finish this. Yesterday I was explaining this. Yesterday at last I was explaining this only. That this is the boy whose name is Ben and who is
then,
reading. And writing means he's studying. Okay? So he is studying continuously for 2 hours. So then how many minutes? Means 2 hours means how many minutes that they are showing? You can see here that 2 hours. So how many minutes that is written? So what we have to do? 1 hour equals to 60 minutes and then 2 multiply by 60. This is multiplication.
ma'am, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then how to do multiplications?
2 multiply by 60. So 6 twos are
12.
12 and then put that 0 here. So 120.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
When this kind of multiplication is given, not 2 like anything like 3 multiply by 60. So you have to do this only 3 multiply by 6 and then this 0 you have to put at last. Okay.
so it will be 180 minutes.
Mostly everyone knows this shortcut. So those who don't know this shortcut, that you have to put this 0 afterwards, and first you have to multiply these two numbers only. Just do
Ma'am,
anything of this. Yes.
ma'am, in chapter number 11, you have which exercise, मैम आपने तो एक ही एक्सरसाइज कराया तो which एक्सरसाइज कम इन एग्जाम में एक्सरसाइज 11 ने ही कराया दूसरी सब नहीं कराया चैप्टर नंबर 11
Now who wants to read this last one?
मैम कैन आई कुलसुम
Ma'am, can
All
I
this.
read? Ma'am, need a fair Abjani, need a fair Abjani.
मैम कैन आई
Wait. Did you try all this at home?
Ma'am, can I read?
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am.
Who have
1 hour, 60 minutes, 1 hour.
you have all
6 minutes
tried?
6 minutes 1 hour
Huh. But
60
you want
minutes, 1 hour. 1 hour, 60 minutes.
to try?
60
I want
minutes
to see
1
that.
hour
300 seconds.
Hey, don't say the answer. Today chat box is I think so available. So those who want
yes
to
ma'am
say the
Yes, sir.
answer, please write their name.
ma'am today can I captain ma'am today can I
No,
captain
no.
ma'am I know
Alicia will be
ma'am
the
can
captain.
I captain
I forgot to tell her that she is captain.
ma'am can I
Just tell
captain
me the name
tomorrow
from chat box. Alicia.
tomorrow
Okay, ma'am.
So whose name you got in the chat box? You know, this is
Yes,
very
ma'am, I'm
easy. You
telling it.
मैम
हाँ.
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा
Alicia, whose name you
मैम
got? Who?
मैम आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा था इसीलिए।
But I was not speaking anything that time.
यस मैम।
Alicia, did you get the names? Then tell me. And those who have still not tried this, they can try today and then you can match your answer. And how many of you have already tried this? Because I have sent to yesterday.
मैम आई
So did
सैयद and मैम Alicia has left.
oh she left also?
Ma'am, I first
मैम
one is
can
first.
I captain?
Ma'am, can
मैम
I
Abjani Nida.
It's good that all of you have tried this. So Sayeda, she is also sending the homework. So Sayeda is captain until Alicia is not joining.
Yes मैम।
Ma'am, she has joined.
Join also.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
Alicia, where were you? Why did you leave?
मैम her mic is not unmute.
Alicia, what happened? If your mic is not working or your phone is not means it has problems, so I will make another captain. You can be captain some other day. So Sayeda,
मैम
you
I think network problem था
Ma'am,
in Alicia's mobile.
tell me from the chat box, Sayeda.
ma'am,
Yes मैम। Mehreen.
Mehrin. Okay, Mehrin, you have to tell me about this. 60 seconds equals to how many minutes?
ma'am, 60 seconds equals to 1 minute.
Yes. Then next name, Sayeda.
Yes मैम। After Mehreen Kulsum.
Kulsum. Kulsum, tell
Yes.
me 1 minute equals to how many seconds?
1 minute is equal to 60 seconds.
Minute.
मैम Tahira.
Tahira.
Five,
Tahira, tell me about this. Yes.
300 seconds.
Second.
Ma'am,
Then
80
मैम
See, 300 second is given no here, seconds.
yes,
So that you have to divide by 60. Okay. So now we are dividing. 300 divided by
300.
60. Okay. So 0 is cancelled. This is shortcut. Everyone carefully
Ma'am,
see this that this is shortcut. 300 divided by 60. So 0 cancel. Now 6, how many is that? 30, Tahira?
ma'am,
I think so. Yes.
Tahira. मैम Tahira mic is mute.
Okay. But who said?
Five 30.
Huh. So answer is what? 5. Okay. Here.
Ma'am,
Well, if you will count now, 5 multiplied by 60, 5 minutes, and then 60 seconds. So 5, 6 are
5 6
300.
30.
300. And then
30
what
and मैम 0
300.
than 300.
What is 300?
300 is answer. Ma'am, how to do in rough book? There is, I don't understand how to do it.
Write the question and then solve.
No, ma'am. How to solve it in rough?
So write the question and then solve it. Where
But
you
I don't.
multiplication you have to do or division. That I have explained yesterday.
Zainab, ma'am.
After Tahira Muskan.
What, Alicia? What do you want to say?
Ma'am, you explain again. No?
Wait.
मैम मुझे बार बार कोई दे रहा
हर बार कोई
हाँ मैम
मैम मुझे
बार
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 उसे
कोई
कोई
लिखा दे
लेफ्ट
रहा है
कर देता है।
बार बार
but left means you are doing by yourself and remove means someone is doing. So
No,
if
ma'am.
remove
Alicia is telling anyone remove me again and again.
Yes.
If remove is written, no. Remove is Alisha, if remove is written or that someone is removing you, then only someone is removing. Otherwise, maybe because of network you are leaving again and again.
Yes, ma'am.
Next time you can mention, okay, Alisha. Kulsum, see this.
Yes, ma'am.
Written that
1 hour equals to how many
moved you.
1 hour is equal to 60 minutes.
That's what I will
so
be
same time giving you something else. Okay. 1 rupee equals to how many paise? No, Kulsum will give the answer because she has doubt. Say,
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. No problem. मैम सब लोग बार बार डाल रहे हैं अपना नाम.
wait, everyone. Kulsum, now tell me 2 rupee.
2 rupees equal to 1 paise.
What? What?
1.
2 rupees equals to how many paise?
Ma'am, I know. No, ma'am. Can I, Mahreen?
No.
Ma'am, can I? Malik Tahira.
मैम
No, Kulsum. No. You all know the answer because she doesn't know even this rupee and paise. So I should ask her only because you all know even about minute and hour also. And she doesn't know about rupee and paise. So let me ask her only. Kulsum, 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So 2 rupees equals to?
10.
Suppose I'm drawing the coins. First coin, second coin. This is also 1 rupee. This is another 1 rupee. So two
Yes.
rupees are there, and 1 rupee equals to how many paise you said?
100. No,
So
ma'am. Answer. 2 rupees is equal to 200 paise.
हाँ तो इतनी देर क्यों लगी?
मैम
हाँ कुलसुम?
Yes, ma'am.
First you were telling 10 paise, this paise, but answer is 200 paise. But you didn't say in starting. Why? You forgot about this also rupees and paise.
No, ma'am.
Then what happened? Kulsum, what happened then?
Yes.
Then what happened? Okay. Now next question, Kulsum.
Yes,
300
ma'am.
paise equals to how many rupees? Only Kulsum will give the answer. You all can just think about the answer. It is very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
So Kulsum say,
Ma'am, 1 minute.
मैम I know.
I know that you all know. I know this is very easy question, so everyone knows.
Yes, ma'am.
30. 30 rupees.
What?
3.
Why you said 30? Kulsum, why you said 30 then? So Kulsum, if you can't understand this also rupees paise, then how can you understand that? Hour and minutes. Now pay attention here and let you listen to me. And other student also, those who already know, just listen. That you can see here this rupee
Yes,
and
ma'am.
paise. Which is bigger, rupee or paise?
Rupee is bigger.
That is bigger. So when you have to convert from bigger to smaller, no, that time you have to multiply. Like what you have done, Kulsum, how you got to 200? 200 आंसर कैसे आया कुलसुम?
हम लोग ने 2 बार 1 लिखा, फिर 1 के बाद कॉमा डाल के, फिर आपने बोला किसमें 100 आता है, तो मैंने बोला आंसर 100
How
आता है.
many time 100 were there? How many 100 were there?
1.
One time 100? Two coins are
दो
there. Kulsum, 2 coins were there, no? So how many
Yes,
times 100 was there?
2 times.
So 2 times, no? 2 times 100. So what is the answer to multiply by 100?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer to multiply by 100?
Ma'am, I am multi.
What is the answer to multiply by 100?
Ma'am, I am multiplying one.
Faster, please.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
you guys already know that and I have to teach other thing also.
200.
200.
200.
So how you got using multiplication?
Yes, ma'am.
And here 300 is given 300 paise. And when you will divide by 100 now, you will get 3. Okay? So sometime you have to multiply by 100, sometime you have to divide by 300.
Okay, ma'am.
So in that minute and hour also, your 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So 5 hours means how many minutes? You all can say together, huh? Those who know the answer.
30
Ma'am,
minutes.
300 minutes.
300 minutes.
300 minutes. Ma'am, extra 300 minutes.
300 minutes.
300 minutes. Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, sorry because you explain again because I confuse it.
Huh? Means this you didn't understand. One
Ma'am,
hour.
she telling कि I confused. No, that's why. Thank you. You will explain me. No, that's why.
Oh, I thought that she is still confused. Okay, good then. If your confusion is over now.
No, ma'am, now I.
मैम तैयबा बार बार मैसेज डाल रही है.
So you
Taiba, Taiba.
take screenshot and send me in my WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am, I send it to you.
Okay, ma'am, I send you now.
But Kulsum, why are you sending if Nida is complaining? She will send, no?
Ma'am, but Sayeda has also tell you I am.
First you said, no? After that she said. The same habit, giving each other's name. Bapre. So my next question, everyone. Here you can see have you got 300? Who will explain?
Ma'am, because ma'am, can I also?
Ma'am, can I say you the?
Ma'am, can I marry? Ma'am, can I? Muskan. Ma'am, can I Kulsum? Ma'am, can I first?
Someone else, not you four.
Ma'am, can I marry?
No, Mehrin will also not say, Muskan will not say, Sayeda will not say, Kulsum will not say. Someone else. Have you got 300?
Ma'am,
One
can I tell?
60 minutes. So 5 hours equals to how many minutes? That was my question.
Ma'am, repeat the question. Ma'am, can I give answer? Kasman,
This is the question that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So 5 hours means how many minutes? Kasman, Ifat, you said no, you want
Yes, ma'am.
you can say.
300 300 5
Minutes.
hours means
Huh,
300.
huh. So suppose this is 1 hour from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock.
Yes.
So 60 minutes. Then again 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and 5 o'clock. So every time 60 minutes, no? Or not?
Yes, ma'am. Every time. Ma'am, I have multiplied. Every time 60, 60.
From 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, 60 minutes. 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, 60 minutes. 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, 60 minutes. 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, 60 minutes. So 60 minutes, 60 minutes, 60 minutes, that 5 times 60 minutes. So that's why we have to multiply 5 with 60. Okay? 5, that is R, and multiply by 60 minutes. So what you will get?
5, 6 are 30 and we have to put 0. So answer will be 300.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
very good.
Zainab, ma'am. I
Yes.
can't understand.
कौन? कुलसुम ना?
No, ma'am, I'm not doing.
Then
Tahira.
Tahira. Tahira, you
Ma'am,
write like me. 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Write like me in rough book.
okay, ma'am.
And then everywhere you write 60, 60, 60 minute. Because in
Ma'am,
one,
but you understand me, then why I send ma'am, why I say again and again.
but you only ask the doubt normally. So I thought you are again asking the doubt.
No, ma'am, I tell to you and I confused, that's why I asked.
Ah, but I thought that again you have confusion.
No, ma'am.
You don't have confusion, no? Tyra, write like me and write 60, 60 everywhere. Because in 1 hour, how many minutes are there? 60. And then add that. And then tell me what is the answer.
मैम मल्टीप्लाई करके भी कर सकते हैं ना?
हाँ, मल्टीप्लीकेशन ही करना है 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 60 बट ताहिर को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है इसलिए मैं उसको बोल रही हूँ कि ऐसे प्रैक्टिकली कर कि 12 से 1 के बीच में 60 मिनट फ्रॉम 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock अगेन 60 मिनट फ्रॉम 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock अगेन 60 मिनट दैट वे
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
जस्ट टेल मी
ma'am, we have to all you send PDF. We have to do all. मैम सब आपने जो पीडीएफ में सेंड करे है वो सब फेसबुक में लिखने का है.
नॉट एक्सप्लेनेशन ओनली वर्कशीट
मैम डन.
explanation obviously you can't write that is just for revision
मैम आई लेफ्ट. नो मैम, you will send PDF. There is written.
there is written this kind of see
Ma'am, I
explain
left. Yes. Ma'am, ma'am, I have done homework. Right, this you send is hours and minutes वो लिखने का है हम लोग को पहले.
explanation you don't have to write
Ma'am.
yes
Ma'am, I write all over. Ma'am, I write all then when you. Ma'am, I write all you send PDF. I write all then and you.
then good if you are writing all
Okay, ma'am, I write all because there is worksheet and MCQ all also there in
हाँ
11
that
chapter.
is for example huh? that MCQ are just for example
Yes, ma'am, I see question and answers also there.
हाँ now Tahira next question is she there in the group
Yes, ma'am.
ताहिरा सी
Yeah, ma'am.
1 hour equals to 60 मिनट मतलब 12 से 1 के बीच में 1 घंटा फिर 1 से 2 वापिस अनदर आवर सो दैट वे 5 घंटे हो तो उसमें 60 60 60 60 60 मिनट होगी 5 घंटों में
Yes, ma'am.
so 5 multiplied by 60 and what will be the answer of 5 multiplied by 60
300.
हाँ because 5 6 are 30 and then you have to put 0 that is shortcut. Now, this question is for everyone, not only for Tahira, but this question is for everyone. So those who know the answer can write the name in the chat box. And then say that tell me who knows the answer. You just have to keep this thing in your mind. कि 1 घंटे में 60 मिनट्स होती है तो 120 मतलब कितने घंटे हुए say that did you got the name
Yes, ma'am. Muskan.
this 120 minutes equals to how many hours
Ma'am, Muskan.
Ma'am, I
then
know.
okay then any other name
8, 9, 10, 11.
एक
Ma'am,
घंटे में 60 मिनट्स होती है 120 मिनट मतलब कितने घंटे हुए दैट यू टू थिंक
ma'am, can I say Muskan? Ma'am, I know Malik Tahira.
Ma'am, Muskan.
मैम
After.
तैयबा ने यहाँ से लिखा है चैट बॉक्स में कि आई
Ma'am, can
लेफ्ट
I
बिकॉज माय ट्यूशन ऑटो इज कमिंग
Ma'am, can I say Firoz?
Ma'am, can I say Kasman F1?
नो
Ma'am, can I
ताहिरा
say
विल से ताहिरा विल
Ma'am, Taiba is written in chat box. I laugh because my tuition is auto is coming.
ओके
मैम
ओके
2 hours.
बाय बाय।
मैम और इंसिया ने डाला है कि आप लास्ट में मेरा क्राफ्ट देख के जाना।
हाँ हाँ इंशाल्लाह।
मैम 2 hours.
हाँ 2 hours। 1 घंटे में 60 मिनट्स होती है तो वापिस दूसरी 660, तो 2 घंटे हुए मीन्स 120 मिनट्स। ओके तो
मैम
दैट
मैंने प्लस करके किया इसीलिए। मैम आई अगेन कंफ्यूज हाउ टू
see
this
instead
one.
I'm explaining again. From 6 second to minute you have to divide by 60. From minute to 6 second you have to multiply by 60. Whether you have to divide by 60 or whether you have to multiply by 60. कभी मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है 60 के साथ, कभी डिवीजन करना है 60 के साथ। बट कब करना है? फ्रॉम बिगर टू स्मॉलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड फ्रॉम स्मॉलर टू बिगर यू टू डिवाइड। इज दिस क्लियर एवरीवन? कब मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, कब डिवीजन करना है?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear. Yes, ma'am, it is clear. मैम कैसे डिवाइड कब करना है और मल्टीप्लाई कर कब कर रहे हैं?
इट्स ओके। एंड दिस वर्कशीट एवरीवन हैज ट्राई?
No, ma'am, I not try
Yes,
because I well,
So this we have finished this much, I think so. Three. Now from fourth we are
yes.
ma'am, my turn is remaining.
I know. So
Ma'am,
Saida,
my turn.
tell me the names.
Ma'am, first is Muskan.
10, 3. Okay. Wait, let me write that other answer.
Yes,
Muskan, you can tell me about this fourth.
360 second.
Yes. And have you got the answer that you have to explain? Means what you did?
Ma'am, I had do multiplication.
Yes, you have to multiply 6 with 60. Then you will get 360. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am. We have to put zero. Answer will be 360.
Next name, Saida, after Muskan.
yes, ma'am. After Muskan, Kulsum.
Kulsum. Kulsum, are you sure that you are able to do this next? This?
Yes, ma'am. I do it.
Then do 14 multiplied by 60.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
other also can be ready. If she will not, then you can give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Whoever
Ma'am.
next will this question will be passed to that girl.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, at 5 on 14 minutes dash second.
Yes.
40 minutes 840 second.
What?
840 second.
And have you got the answer?
Ma'am, I divide.
Divide. Oh.
No. Ma'am,
Okay.
I know.
Saying that you have to divide.
Ma'am, 840.
मैम उसने है ना
That we have to divide. No one. Then how many are saying that here we have to multiply?
मैम we have to multiply only.
Then why you said divide?
I say by mistake I multiply.
Okay. So multiply 14 multiply by 60.
Yes, ma'am, I am doing. Ma'am, 40 multiplied by how much? Ma'am, 560.
40 multiplied by 60.
Kulsum, 1 minute equals to how many seconds? So that you have to take.
Ma'am, can I cast my name first?
So
2 to 4. 2 to 4 answer, ma'am.
what is the answer?
Ma'am, I know Malay.
224.
2 to 4.
Oh, 2, 2.
Ma'am, ma'am, can I say?
Sayyida.
The next name from the
Next is Mahreen.
who?
Mahreen.
Meherin, you have to tell me about this.
ओली देख देख के बोलती पकड़ा गई मल्टीप्लाई करने का तो डिवाइड बोली ये पकड़ा गई इससे ओली को मल्टीप्लाई करने का क्या कितनी बार बोलती
Tahira, mute your mic.
dot seen also when Tahira is saying Kulsum is seen
She never said your name.
ma'am but she is telling to her mother that's why
But she never take your name.
no ma'am I know बोला मैंने she has not a Kulsum name
Exactly. We never heard that she said your name. She's saying,
yes ma'am
Ma'am, Mahrin.
Meherin, say.
ma'am I know answer ma'am but
Ma'am, ma'am, Mahrin is not there.
Next.
Ma'am, 1 minute. After Mahrin, I.
Okay, so you can say that what we have to
Yes,
do,
ma'am. 840.
and what we have to do also.
Ma'am, we do multiplication.
Yeah.
40
And
multiplied by 60.
yes, exactly. Very good. I think so. This time also, all of you will get nice marks because Muskan, Mehreen, then you, Ifad, Tahira, you all are giving the answer, means the solution also, that method also. So it is.
ma'am
Yes, who is speaking?
Ma'am, after Miss Sirath.
Huh. Sirat, you have to tell me about this.
ma'am you don't send it to certificate ma'am I send photo but there is not my network no tomorrow that's why I not send it available now there is network is there I send it to at 3 o'clock
Before 2 days also you were saying that I will send tomorrow. Then you said again I will send tomorrow. Now it is two
Yes, ma'am.
days went, I think so.
no ma'am
मैम
today
आज आप डाल देना
finally
ना तो
ma'am
Yes.
today is finally please ma'am today final
No, final.
no
Sirat,
ma'am
tell me
today
about
is
this.
final only
1.5
मैम
minutes.
ma'am today is final ma'am
Okay. Sirat, you have to tell me about this.
ma'am I don't send
Yes,
at
ma'am.
3 o'clock
1.5
so
minutes.
then you send it 3 5 okay ma'am
Wait.
ma'am
And how you will
मैम
ma'am
जैनब मैम आज 12 बजे आप सेंड कर देना
no
inshallah.
ma'am
We
no
have
ma'am
to
I
divide.
send at 3 o'clock
I think time is up.
ma'am
You sent 12.
Zainab ma'am
Yes.
मैम हमारा सर्टिफिकेट कब आएगा
Today only I will send because of 2 days, from 2 days I was waiting for her and Arfa. They both told me that they will send me. She also and
ma'am
Arfa.
but I send today onwards only you wait no 3 o'clock till
मैम
Before that also I wait.
मैम मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इन दोनों ने अभी तक नहीं बनाया होगा आप बनाने वाले होगे
I also wait.
no ma'am no ma'am मैंने बना दिया है
Okay, let me continue this. This
ma'am you
is
send
ma'am.
at 3 o'clock no
this is 90 seconds and 1 minute has how many seconds?